Hi guys, haven't made a video in forever, but I am back, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to code a little bit in Python. So there's two different things in Python. So there's Python shell, which you can't really make a program from this. It's basically just testing code like print code. And see, it prints hello, or whatever you put in here. And then you have a file, which you just do by pressing file, or you could do the Control N, and then you would save the file as something and then put it in your file folder. Anyways though, I'll be teaching you the basics of the print function. So we're going to be working with my file right here, and you can use it however you want, but I'll be teaching more in other episodes how to use this print function. But basically, print function is an already made function that has a lot of lines of code, but it's basically inputted into these basic lines of code. So what you need to understand a print function is obviously you need the print, which is it's the base of the print function, and then you need parentheses, and then you would either need you would need quotes, or you need 3 of these, and then basically what it is one of these is just the basic. It would basically just work like that, and then just quotes, it's the same thing. The difference for this though is that you can skip lines, so you could say hello and then world, and then it would be like that. And now also you can press F5 to run it, or to run your program, or whatever you're doing on Python. And this is going to say source must be saved, OK to save, and it's just going to save this. So every single time you run it, it's going to save. When you press OK, and there you go, it ran it. So right here is the first one with this one line right here. This is this. And as you can see, this is run in Python shell. So that's why you can't really make a program in Python shell, since you can't really delete lines, so you can't delete that. And then this is this quote right here. And then these two, as you can see, is because we had these 3 right here. So once you figure that out, you could just use the print function to print whatever you want. And then you can do more advanced things like variables. You could use variables as in, let's say variable name, okay? Name equals, and then input. And then this is where it gets kind of complicated. What is your name? And then, like that. And see, we put this question mark in between the words and the quote, because if you put it right here, it's not green, so you won't see it. That's why this isn't green and this isn't green. So these just aren't green. So whatever's not green won't be set. So if we work it if we run the program, it'll say what is your name, and then if I input my name, nothing's gonna happen. And that's because we just have this. So what you need to do is print, and then you could do my name, or actually just do your name is, I didn't see, it's not green, so you have to put the quotes. Your name is, and then you end the quotes, and then do plus to add. This is a string, so this variable is a string because it's words, it's an input. So you would say plus name, and then if you're gonna add something after it, you have to put another plus, and then say whatever you want. You're gonna say, I'm just gonna put a period for an example, and then yeah. So you have to make sure what you want to be set is green, and then the variable, make sure you add pluses if anything's said after it. I'll show you what happens if you don't add the pluses. What is your name? your name is Ezekiel. See, there is no code right there that said Ezekiel, just name, which is the input. And if you put absolutely anything, it's going to input that. So you say that, boom, your name is, and then whatever you put right there. This is how some people can make chat box by using the input print and some string functions. But yeah, and also you could do print, and then if you do like 3.14 like that, and you run your program, and my name's 1, then it'll run 3.14. You may be wondering, why is this so? It's because this you don't need for non-integers, you don't need to put quotes for it to be that, but it doesn't count as a string. So you can't just say 3.14 hello like that. You can't do that. See, it's an invalid syntax because there's no quotes around the hello. So if you don't want to do that, you have to do like other things to fix it. And I'll teach you in other videos how to fix that, and yeah. But anyways, that's the basic of the print function. I can teach more in the next episode, but that's all I have time for right now. And yeah, so if you have any questions, just ask me on Discord. I'll put that in the description, and then also if you want to download Python, I'll put that in the description too.